Charlie. And here is atragantándose Monster. Here's our fine lady. Actually eating a little bit faster than usual. Maybe because we just came back from Portersville. But she takes a break, breathes, and continues on. While the almost exact amount that I gave to this little monster is already gone from his plate. Can you tell? It's dark, but I should have put a light or something. Pero míralo, ya se lo acabó el pinche monstruo. Y aquí, Miss Dainty Lady todavía tiene un montón. Aquí ya mis ojos se lo acabó. And he's just cleaning his plato. Límpialo bien, Chibi. Límpialo bien. No dejes ni una migajita, ¿eh? Not even a morsel. And Charlie still has some. So this is the time where he starts getting all frisky, trying to see there's some left. No, deja Charlie terminar. Ajá. Vente. Deja Charlie acabar. Ya te conozco, monstruo de cuteness. ¿Verdad, Charlita? Usted coma, mi reina. Usted coma. Cabe tranquila. Ahorita voy a encerrar aquí el monstruo, ¿ok? Vamos a terminar esto. Tú acabas, ¿ok? Bye, Charlita. Acaba sin problemas, ¿eh? Yo te cuido.